Yo, you remember that time I found Justin's $1 million bill?
Do it again, Matt. Do it again.
What the fuck?
Do it again.
Oh my god.
What is going on?
Show some skin, Matt. Show some skin.
Justin! What? Oh shit.
Uh-oh. He's bringing it.
Show some skin. Skin. Give me some skin.
Uh-oh.
Oh, getting big.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh, look at him get up.
Look at that. Holy shit.
He's too drunk. He's too drunk. The kid just took 4 shots. What can he do now? Look at him go. He's still going. I can't even fucking see the camera. Easy, I can't see the camera, dude. Whoa! Shit! Where are you going? Where are you? Oh, what the fuck? Did you just take that off the wall?
Oh shit. You know why his eyes are?
You look like a fucking elk.
Take a freaking picture. It's right there.
Taking a video.
It's a Oh my god. Oh, he's getting naked.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. What are you doing, Matt? What are you doing?
Oh, it's tripod for a reason.
Oh, it's over. Thank God.
Yeah, woo, I finished.